Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Mehdi Hassan from Borishal. I have completed my BBA and MBA in accounting from Borishal BM College under the National University. Along with my academic background, I have also completed a computer office program from the Technical Training Center Borishal. I am married and my spouse is a housewife. I am looking for a professional platform where I can work in a challenging environment, contribute to the organization growth and help the organization reach its goals. My first job was at B2 shopping mall where I worked as a sales associate for 45 days during the Eid campaign. After that, I joined Salom Toiletries as a marketing officer and worked there for 3 months. Later, I joined Ducon Construction Chemical Industries as a brand promotional executive. Within 3 months, I was promoted to territory sales officer and I worked there for a total of 1 year. After that, I worked at the well-known New Chandni departmental store in Borishal as a cashier and manager for 2 years. Currently, I am working as an English and mathematics teacher at a local coaching center in Borishal. Alongside this, I regularly create and upload travel-related video content on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. My long-term career objective is to see myself in a responsible leadership position within the next 5 years. I want to work in a key role where I can take responsibility, lead a team, and contribute to the organization's strategic growth. Ultimately, I aim to become a reliable asset to the company and grow together through dedication, performance, and continuous learning.